In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero bank accounts, how to reconcile a refund for a paid invoice in Xero using a credit note. We're going to walk through how to handle a situation where a customer has already paid an invoice, but now needs a refund and you want that refund to be recorded properly using a credit note in Xero. By the end, your accounts receivable and bank reconciliation will all line up correctly. Start by logging into Xero and going to the main dashboard. From there, look for the Business or Accounts menu depending on your setup and click on Sales. This is where all of your customer invoices and credit notes are managed. Once you're in the Sales area, click on Invoices. Here you'll see a list of your invoices, but for this process, we're going to create a new credit note that relates to a paid invoice. At the top or near the options, you should see a button or link that says New Credit Note. Go ahead and click on that. Xero will now open a new credit note screen. This is where you fill in the details. Choose the correct customer that the refund relates to and make sure the date reflects when the refund is being issued. In the description and line items, mirror the original invoice as closely as needed, but only for the portion you are actually refunding. Check that the account codes, tax rates, and amounts are correct, so the reversal is accurately recorded. As you fill in each field, follow the on-screen prompts that Xero provides. The system may suggest matching invoices or default accounts. Review these suggestions carefully and adjust them if necessary. Take a moment to double-check quantities, unit prices, and tax calculations. This helps avoid differences between the credit note and the original invoice. Continue working through the form until everything looks right. When you're satisfied that the credit note correctly reflects the refund you want to issue, scroll to the bottom and click Approve. Approving the credit note finalizes it and makes it available to be used against the customer's balance or processed as a refund. After approval, go to the credit note itself. On this page, you'll see options for what to do with it. Choose the option to process a refund. Here, you'll select the bank account the money is coming from, confirm the refund date, and enter any reference that will help you match it to the bank transaction later. Once saved, the refund will appear in your bank reconciliation screen, ready to be matched with the actual refund payment that goes out of your bank.